What is up, guys? We are here with a review on the Corsair Obsidian 500D RGB case. Lorenzo here is the one that had ordered this. We are both building PCs, and he's seen it before. This is my first impression. I've not seen the contents inside this box. So let's get into it. Give me that big old palette.
There's a big old flat hat.
Yes. Oh, I got my tushy. I'm sorry.
I'm not gonna show this.
I didn't even cut it. Hold on, I gotta get another face on there.
So this is the special edition. It's different from the stock 500D. It's just the flat aluminum, brushed aluminum finish on the front. This one actually has tempered glass.
Box out of here. Well, Lorenzo's already destroying it. Good thing that I didn't order mine yet.
And oh no! Oh god! I'm gonna peel it early. All right, so how would you see it? Now, what do you think of it?
This actually looks pretty awesome. I've been looking for an all glass casing, but this will actually be pretty freaking sweet. It's a nice glass door. Wow. You see the RGB fans, and it looks like Amazon did you a little dirty.
What'd they do?
The adhesives came off of your box here.
Yeah, so this comes with the Command Pro. You can control all of your fan speeds, RGB, and your light strips. It looks like that came off from the side.
Yeah.
Or there's. Oh, that's gonna be great.
Yeah.
There's no cover for the adhesive. Like they just put it in there and just peeled it off. I was thinking about putting that towards the back anyway, so we can try to save that.
Yeah, I did stick it on a little bit, but it came right off, and it's still ultra sticky.
Great.
Yeah, I'm not sure. It's a little scratched up, but we'll see about this. See, 2 USB, and it has USB-C. That's pretty neat. Power button. Nice glass paneling up front. Show off those triple RGB fans. Just pretty cool. Both sides of this case opens up, and it's magnetic. It's like a little fridge, a little mini fridge, but it does quite the opposite.
Ooh, yeah. That's a problem these things have. When they're not loaded, they tend to tip easily.
Well, guys, don't tip your case. they tip pretty easily.
All right, so just to go over it with you, you have 2 dust fans, dust filters, both on each side.
Has a beautiful brushed aluminum finish on the top. It's gorgeous. It's almost.
So what else is the other?
Lots of room for activities. And I guess this is the where your power supply goes.
Power supply.
Huge power supply.
Yeah, 7 expansion slots for PCI Express.
Ooh.
So like graphics cards, capture cards. You can also do a vertical mount, but if you're not going water cooled, you might not want to do that, because then with the glass cut shut, it basically cuts off air from the graphics card. To go with this case, I did actually end up getting some extras. Got 3 Corsair 120 mils.
He's a fanboy. But
Fanboy. I'm a Corsair fanboy.
You broke it.
I didn't break it.
It's ruined. It's on the back. Just kidding. Don't let me take it.
So these are PWM powered. They do use 4 pins. So one would go back here.
And you'll have some up there.
Yeah, and then some on the top. We actually need to take those off, actually. Just need a screwdriver. Huzzah.
Huzzah! Has some really nice padding on there, so it won't scratch up the inside of your case on installation or removal on both sides, so you can mount it for push or pull, which is neat. Even shows your rotational pattern, so you know what you're signing up for.
And it just falls.
So the thing is done. They don't go there.
This is gonna be really hard when I get the fans on. So, final thoughts.
Overall, I am very impressed with the overall design. I've actually been looking around for cases for quite some time, and just haven't purchased one because I haven't found that case. And Lorenzo here convinced me that this one is pretty solid. It's everything I want. You got 2 glass doors that are magnetic. You just open them up. It's easily accessible, and not to mention it's if you like your desktops to be on your desk. This is a very nice centerpiece.
One thing that I'm not happy with, it's not really on Corsair's end. I'm guessing it's on Amazon's end. So like I said, the Commander Pro came up without no protection for the adhesive tape. So that's like just exposed.
It got tossed around a bit during shipping.
Yeah, it looked like it got tossed around a bit. And I don't see any like damage, which I guess is okay. But that shouldn't be an issue. I know Corsair sends these out with a separate box for the Commander Pro.
Overall, yes. I give this a 9 out of 10. This is awesome. I saw everyone was really hunting for the MSI. I guess it was a competition build they had. It was just all glass. It was gorgeous. But I actually would prefer the tinted glass over the full transparent version. Like all of it's glass. If anybody throws something, which they shouldn't be throwing something in your game room or your office, it's just bad news if you're moving. God forbid anything happens to it. But this,
like it's like tempting for me to peel this plastic off, but I know I need to finish the build first.
it's satisfying to peel this off, but instant regrets.
Instant regret, yeah. So I'm gonna be putting this on my desk, and it'll be staring me down until I finish it.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and stay tuned for more. We'll be rolling in some more new products and doing probably a build video and another case. Probably not another case. You don't want to see another case. Probably the same thing.
We're gonna be twins.
We're gonna be twins, and there's a lot more to come. So stay tuned.
There's a Twitch link down below. You might want to follow that too. If you guys are wondering, this is Harold, good friend of mine for a while. But we're basically gonna be joining up together for this part of the channel. I guess Twisted Biscuits is an alias for my Twitch channel, but we're gonna be joining, like, just saying.
We're gonna be collaborating.
So this is basically just like a subsection of this channel. It's like Twisted Hardware.
You know, we've been getting a lot of our equipment together and just preparing, because we got a lot to do.
So you probably, yeah, this is probably like editing, gaming, everything rig. This is gonna be like
the rig.
The rig. I'm gonna be investing a lot of money into this thing. And yeah, no
shortcuts.
No shortcuts. No, how can I say it? No sponsorship supports. Help.
It would be nice if we could get a few likes on here so we could continue to make more videos. And
It really supports us, and it really helps us grow, you could say.
we'd like to give you guys some pretty good content. So like if we see that you guys are somewhat interested, we'll actually put in more effort, more work, and our time, because we do have day jobs as well. So we're not expecting this to feed us.
Alright, so if you guys liked the video, please give it a like. If you didn't like it, dislike it. I don't care. But if you guys do want to keep up with the build, it will be a little sporadic upload schedule because I gotta get parts, and those take time. So you might want to, follow, press the subscribe button, click the bell.
Click that bell.
Yeah. And we'll see you next time.